G'day viewers. I bought a 2015 Tesla, and in Australia the Teslas, I'm not sure about the rest of the world, but in Australia the Teslas come with a free Spotify account that's under the Tesla name. But the previous owner had put in a lot of albums that we're no longer into, or we're not into. And I couldn't find a way to delete it, and lots of Google searches didn't show anything about how to be able to delete an album. You can try holding your finger on it or whatever, you can't get rid of it. So the only way that I've found that I can do it is if, say I go to this Train album, the brown one here, I'll click on that, and if I go save and then unsave it and go back, it's now no longer there. So this seems to work. I haven't tried it out for songs as such, but it seems to remove them. So I'll actually try it now. Let me see, for songs. Say I didn't want this song Gravity by the Super Jesus. I'll try unticking it and go back, see if it's still there. So it looks like it got rid of it. So there you go. I'll try How G by Black Machine. Oops. Songs. See if How G is still on there. Gone. So there you go. So that works. Give it a try yourself and see how you go. I'll catch you later.